Holy sh! Oh my god, yo, that guy legit has, he legit got his wheel stolen. Wow, that's heavy. Well, that is quite shitty. Anyway, welcome back, guys. It's been just a few freaking weeks since I picked up the camera. Today's pretty special because my dad is in town, and I don't normally get to hang out with my dad, seeing as he lives up north in Illinois, and I moved down to Texas. So I'm gonna actually swing by the airport, scoop him, we're gonna go straight on the water and do some fishing. It's been pretty hectic, to say the least, with the whole NS2, Never Stop 2 or 2 deal, but if you guys want to check out that entire series, episode 1 through 11, then I'll leave a playlist link down in the description below. Just click that and you can watch the whole thing start to finish. Today's a new day. Lucky and I and my dad are gonna do some good old-fashioned fishing here in the beautiful, very steamy, hot state of Texas. So stick with and stay tuned. I'll catch you guys on the water. Let's go find Pop. Where's Pop at? There he is. There he is. I see him. Oh, there's Pop. There's Pop.
I just took a guess it was the one pulling the boat.
Yeah, that's me.
Hey, what's going on? You got room for me?
She might pee on you. Oh my God. She is going haywire. How was your flight?
That was great, man.
You ready to go fishing?
Yeah, let's do it, man. I dressed for it.
Oh,
hi, baby.
Man.
Hi, baby. What are you doing, baby?
It's only been like, what,
I know,
4 days?
3 days, 4 days.
Jeez. Okay, this is good. We've got the wiener. Just picked up my Pop. And I need to switch out boats. I've actually got my old low behind me. I'm going to drop that off at the warehouse and then pick up the new low. I don't know where we're going to fish, honestly. Just some lake.
You know what?
Yeah.
You're local, I'm not.
Yeah.
So
we'll figure something out. Hey, we've made it. We're on the water. Beautiful Lake Louisville. It is gusting in typical Lake Louisville fashion. It is white capping out in this. Quite nasty, but we're gonna make lemonades out of, lemonade. How does that work? We're gonna make lemons.
we're gonna have some lemons.
I'm not very good with my monologues. Anyway, it's really windy out. We're gonna get out of this wind, put the boat in the water, and get to cranking. This might be the first time I've ever seen my dad drive a boat. It's kind of a nasty day out here. I don't know if you can hear it, but the wake is really heavy. So I'm gonna drop him in the water, and he's gonna pick me up at that dock. It should be straightforward and simple, but this is usually how most disasters start out. You got this.
Nothing could go wrong.
Nothing could go wrong.
Nothing, absolutely nothing could go wrong.
No. There you go. There you go. Just don't touch that pedal down there. All right, now put it in neutral. Now forward. There you go. See, he's a natural born boat wizard. This is fun. A little bit of father-son bonding on a beautiful Sunday morning. I like turn around and the boat's just like half underwater. We're on.
All right.
We're on. Let's
always
go get
on.
them.
Always on.
Let's get some fish.
Let's do it.
Lucky.
Now that I didn't wreck your boat.
Toot. Let's go get some fish. Toot.
Come on, Toot. Next time you drive, Toot.
Here we go. You're a good splash now, buddy. Oh my God.
Woo! Woo!
There's one.
Nice. Oh, is that white bass?
White bass. Start casting this.
All right, catch this.
Yep. All right, get him. Get him.
All right.
Get him.
Get him.
Ha-ha. There you go. Well, I got the hiccups and we just got the first bite of the day. Little white bass. Thought that felt funny. Yeah, it must have been some lucky hiccups. Well, there's one white bass. There's like 50 more usually. Oh, hiccups. I love them. So we've been pretty fishless for what has it been, like 2 hours we've been out here?
2 hours, yeah.
It's been too long. We've been soaking wet, sunburnt, just exhausted in this heat chasing little fish. But I just did have a nice little hookup on a white bass in the back of this creek. And that little white bass came on this Guggen Squad little recon, which is like a collaborative project between Guggen Squad and then also Catchco. So this is our smaller version of like medium diving crankbait. Dives like 3 to 6 or 3 to 7. Or actually it says on the bottom, 3 to 6, there we go. And that guy smoked it, there you go. Get it.
Let's go.
Get it. All right, now I'm gonna frog. There's a lot of fish back here, surprising. The water temp's warm, it's a little hot, it's like 86, but there's a lot of surface activity, a ton of fish busting. Oh wow, do you have a bite? Do you have one? You have one, I think. Did you? I saw a bunch of stuff kind of scurry off. Oh no, you have one. White bass. Yes, yeah. He's like, I don't know, I might have one.
It was very,
let me help you. These guys are nasty. Is this your first Texas fish?
White bass. First Texas fish.
Fish?
Yeah. First Texas
Whoa.
fish.
I knew he could do it.
Thanks for putting me on my first Texas fish.
Put you on nothing. You made the cast. That was our first fish out of the boat.
Beautiful.
Nice little white
Yeah, it's
bass.
got to be at least, what about
That's 8.
less than a 5-pounder?
Yeah, less than a 5-pound. As my dad always says, fish the experience. Even if we got out here and didn't catch any fish, it's a good time. But the fact of the matter is, we did catch a fish, and it's even more badass of a trip. So this is just our starting point of the creek. We're gonna fish for maybe maybe 35 more minutes, a little bit longer, unless we get on something really hot. Then head back, maybe grab some margaritas, because we're in time. Look at him, dude, look at him bust, look at him bust. They're right there. This is insane. There's another one. Oh my gosh. Look, they're everywhere. Just throw. They're everywhere. This is surprising because when I was here, I think it was probably 5 months ago. Dude, I just heard another one bust.
Right there.
Oh yeah, right there. There was quite a lot of white bass in this creek. There are bigger ones and they were spawning, but it seems like there's some fish still in here lingering, and they're chasing tiny little micro shads. This is a perfect opportunity to throw that little recon crank. The reason why we made the little recon is for situations like this where the bait's tiny. Yeah, so dads can catch fish. So dads can catch fish, and so when the white bass and largemouth are feeding on little shad, and that's exactly what is going down right now. You got another one. Get it. I think you got you. I'll hand you some pliers. With pliers, it's pretty easy.
Good.
Look, oh, there's the bait. There's the bait. That's what they're eating. Yes, they're eating the little shadleys. You chose the right color. You chose that one.
Absolutely.
Look at the shad coming out. Oh my God, wait, hold on. We gotta get that shad. It's all good, it's all good. They're hard to hold. You wanna take a picture of you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great, thanks.
Ding.
There you go, buddy. There you go.
Much rewarded. We've been working hard.
You keep talking, I'll keep catching fish.
Yeah, I'll keep monologuing. Anyway, as I was saying, it's so funny. My dad's back here schooling me right now. I haven't even gotten a single fish all day. But this is exactly the reason why we're throwing this little recon. So this is the size of the little recon right here. Okay, and here is the size of the shad that these fish are eating. How perfect is that? For example, you got to match the hatch. Today we just got really fortunate, came back in this creek on a whim and found out that they're eating shad the same size of the crankbait as the one we designed. How perfect is that? Pops is just gonna go back there and hopefully yank like a 5-pound largemouth. That's what happens. You catch a few white bass, you think you're on a white bass pattern, all of a sudden a big one comes out. Oh, that was a nice one. He's still on, he's still on. Keep reeling.
I got it.
Keep reeling. Lighten him up. That's a much bigger one. Let me see that guy. What do you got there?
Good size.
That is a nice size. That's the biggest one of the day. Yeah. Oh, there's one. Oh, crappie! Crappie! I thought I was gonna get absolutely owned by my dad.
You think those crankbaits work?
Yeah, those crankbaits, dude, he choked it. This is fish species number 2 of the day. It's kind of the one I wanted to catch starting today's fishing mission, but turns out that the white bass wanted to play instead of the crappie. But we did catch one crappie on the little recon. This bait's so cool. It's not just for bass. We designed it for bass. It's meant to be fished for and targeted with bass, but anything and everything loves it apparently. And out it comes. That was my second cast with the recon. I had to join my dad. He was just smoking them. Nice little white crappie. Back you go, Bubbles. Take care. Yeah. There's one. Another whitey. Yeah, I think they're following it. Yeah. Oh, whitey. Whoa, that's something big. That's something pretty decent. Maybe not big, but decent. Yeah. Oh, that's a pretty good one. That's the size we kind of wanted to catch. Yes, sir. Relax. All right. Decent little white bass. It's my biggest one of the day. It's actually my 3rd fish of the day only. I'm trying to catch it with my dad right now. Nice little girthy one. Put him back in the water. See you later, Bubba. You. They're fun to handle, aren't they? They're a little pain in the ass. There's one. That feels good. Oh, he came off. That was a good one. What's going on here? Oh, I'm on. I got one.
Get him,
That's a good fish.
Don't worry about that.
It's a giant. It's a monster. He just came off. No, he's still on.
I'm gonna make this with my pet.
What's going on over here? Michael. Michael.
One in, one out.
Fish here. You want to take mine off too?
Yeah, good.
You got this. You're a pro.
Yeah. Yeah.
Stand by. All right, thanks, man.
Before we get to the cup holder.
Yeah. Oh God! Ah, I just blew it over the spot I wanted to fish. Whew, that was intense. There's one, another one. Ah!
There you go.
Throw right in front of this tree. There's probably 100 of them. There's just so many fish. How they do? Another one. Oh my God, these. Oh, it came off. These crankbaits are just destroying them right now. By the way, I don't know if I've spoken about this, but if you guys want to get these crankbaits, you can pick them up on shopcrawls.com. That's where we get pretty much all of our tackle from. I don't know if they're out yet, but they will. So just keep going back to the website, refresh until eventually they come out. Wow, that was another one. Jeez, the white bass are devouring this thing. Oh my Lord.
We had no bites at all until we switched.
No, we've had literally no bites until we switched to the whole little recon. This is fun. You can't deny this isn't fun. Is that a fish? No way. Nope. Oh, sorry, my bad. Watch your face. My bee. Oh my gosh. That was a big one.
Yeah, right there.
You have one too? I had a nice one. That one was pretty damn big. Oh boy, that was a nice fish.
Yeah, you had a nice one.
He ate like right
there.
Yeah, so ridiculous, man.
Crazy.
It is crazy. All right, that's it. Game over. Good day. Wow.
Thank you,
White bass, always putting on a show. I love it. Yo, good day.
Awesome day.
Smashed them. Good old white bass. And oh my God, did you see that?
Yeah.
Something just went fully orgasmic.
There's a lot of action out here today.
How deep am I right now? Oh wow. I'm in the mud. Well, we'll see if this works. We hosed them today, boys. Did really decent for given the circumstances that, you know, I don't really fish out here that much, and I really don't like fishing in the summer. I really suck at it, and it's definitely not one of my strong suits. But, in asterisks, but we caught fish today. Caught 2 different species, railed the white bass, as I always tend to do on accident, and I got the fish in my pot. So that's always a good time. We're gonna put this low back on the trailer and go margarita hunting. Maybe we'll have even better luck at the margaritas than we did with the sand bass. But I'm happy, I'm satisfied. We did good. Mission accomplished.